floor using the foam roller to release your low back. When you're using the foam roller on the low back, you can take it and put it behind you, get on your forearms, and roll here, hitting the low back muscles. This can be quite relaxing because you can just put your whole body weight into the roller. You can get on your forearms and roll those low back muscles as well. Nice and slow, taking your time and then stopping in any areas of increased tension so that you can sink into the pressure. Here's a nice time to do your pelvic tilts. Pelvic tilts will pin and stretch the muscle against the roller, and that will allow for decreased sensory feedback and increased relaxation as your body receives that deeper pressure. If laying on the roller is too intense for you, you can use the wall as the surface. You'd simply go up against the wall, put the roller in your low back, and roll up and down. It does take some thigh strength. And when you get to that spot where you want to pin and stretch, you can do those pelvic tilts. Go a little more and do some pelvic tilts. Or you can hold. That's a little more difficult, of course, when you're standing. I prefer just to do the rolling and the pelvic tilts when I'm using the wall as my support surface.